Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry it's been a while. Sorry if I'm a little dirty, just got off of work. So basically I never did a install video on the Swift springs that I bought for the Type R. And so I've had these things on for about a month now, and I just want to do a little bit of a review. So this is the car here. It's got a nice little drop to the front and the rear. I was gonna go with the Spoon ones, the fact that it's a Spoon brand, but decided to go with the Swift ones for price point, really. But I'm really happy with them. They make the ride a little bit of bouncy. I feel like when I put the wheels and tires on, these are 18 Enkei TS5s with Continentals. Wheel specs are 18 by 9.5 plus 45 with a 265/35/18 tire, and there is absolutely no rubbing at all over bumps or anything. So I think it's pretty much a perfect setup for the car. Other than that, I was going to do an install video on the springs, but I don't have my shop quite yet. And yeah, it's been a whole ordeal, but I still have all my stuff at my house, fortunately. So I'm starting to get warm out here in Missouri, and weather's starting to get nice enough to actually film and go outside more, so I'm pretty pumped on that. So pretty much just waiting on the shop to be done. Yeah, I mean, I keep being told that it's gonna be 2 to 3 weeks out, and it's supposed to be done a little while ago. No fault of the owner or anything. I guess the construction is very slow going on right now, I guess, recovering from COVID. So yeah, it's just a little update. I wish I was able to do an install video on the Swift springs. They actually weren't too bad. The rears were very easy. The fronts were a little bit more in depth. Yeah, I got it all washed up today on my lunch break, and she's looking good. We getting hit with pollen. I don't know if that's a nationwide thing or a global thing, but Missouri's getting hit with some pollen. So every day my car is completely covered in yellow. But yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me. I know it's been a while. I just wanted to get a little update video out on the status of the shop. And I know I put some pictures up, some posts up on Facebook and Instagram about the springs and wheels. And I am all around happy with them. The tires are very sticky, the Continentals. The Enkei wheels just look great. And yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna leave off the video. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for the 30 subscribers that I have. I know it's a low number, but just to start. So there will be a review video. A buddy of mine wants to do a review on my car, and I told him that I'd let him do it. So it'll be a review video on his channel. Whenever that video comes out, I'll put his YouTube down in the description. But yeah, if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Give this video a like, because we're going to be doing some more stuff with the Type R. It's just going to be a little bit slow because of the lack of shop space. But other than that, I hope everybody has a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.